Hello everyone, welcome back you all in our online video classes. Students, in class 10th mathematics, we are studying chapter number 4, quadratic equation, and we are solving exercise 4.3. Okay, so students, first 3 questions have been already done in our previous one lecture, and question number 4 was for homework. Okay, question number 4 I gave you for homework, so I think you have done this question also. Today let us discuss question number 5. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Okay, sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. क्वेश्चन हमारे पास बहुत आसान है कि क्लास टेस्ट में शेफालिस के मार्क्स का जो सम है मैथमेटिक्स और इंग्लिश में 2 सब्जेक्ट्स में, वो सम कितना है 30. हैड शी गॉट 2 मार्क्स मोर इन मैथमेटिक्स, अगर वो 2 मार्क्स मैथमेटिक्स में ज़्यादा गेन करती है एंड 3 मार्क्स लेस इन इंग्लिश, और इंग्लिश में उसके 3 मार्क्स कम आते हैं, तो उनका जो प्रोडक्ट बनता है दोनों सब्जेक्ट के मार्क्स का, वो बनता है 210. वी हैव टू फाइंड द मार्क्स ऑफ शेफालिस इन 2 सब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. लेट शेफालिस marks in mathematics be x. Let Shefali's marks in maths be x. Then Shefali's marks in English will be, because sum of marks in 2 subject is 30, so it will be 30 minus x. Okay, if the marks in math is x, then marks in English will be 30 minus x. According to question, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics, means then marks in mathematics will be x plus 2, and 3 marks less in English means 30 minus x minus 3, then their product is equal to 210. This is according to question. So now let us solve this. X plus 2 into 30 minus 3, 27 minus x is equal to 210. Now we will multiply these 2 polynomials, binomial actually. So x into 27, 27x, x into minus x square, and 2 into 27 plus 54 and minus 2x is equal to 210. Right, we can bring this 210 to left hand side. We have here already minus x square. 27x minus 2x is plus 25x, plus 54 minus 210 is equal to 0. It implies minus x square plus 25x minus 10 minus 4 6 and 15 is equal to 0. We can take minus common and we will get here x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Okay, now we can solve this by middle term splitting factorization method. We can split minus 25 as because it is here 156, so we can split it as 13 into 12. So it will be here as x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now we can take here x common. We will get here x minus 13 and here minus 12 common. Again get here minus 13 is equal to 0. So it further implies x minus 13 into x minus 12 is equal to 0, or we can get x minus 13 is equal to 0, x minus 12 is equal to 0. From here we can find the value of x as 13 and 12. Okay, so we have these two results. So if marks in mathematics, if marks in maths x is equal to 13, then marks in English will be 30 minus x, that is 17. And if marks in maths is equal to 12, then marks in English will be 18. So this is the answer. Okay, similarly students, you can solve question number 6 by yourself. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. So you have a rectangular field, you can take shorter side as x meter, then you will get the longer side x plus 30, and diagonal is x plus 60. You can use here Pythagoras theorem easily, and you can find the value of x, by which you will find the sides of the field. Okay, now 7th question. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So we have two numbers, okay, and the difference of their squares is 180 degree, and we have also given the square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two number. Let us solve this 7th question. Okay, question number 7. Let smaller number be x, let smaller number be x and larger number be y. Okay, so according to question, so this larger number, so y square minus x square. The difference of the squares of two numbers is equal to 180 degree. 180, not degree, 180, let it be 1. Now we have also given the square of smaller number, that is x square, is equal to 8 times the larger number, so 8y. This is second equation. So we can put x square is equal to 8y in 1. Okay, we will get it as y square minus 8y is equal to 180 degree. We can take this 180 to the left side. It will be here as y square minus 8y minus 180 is equal to 0. We can also factorize it as y square minus 18y plus 10y, okay, minus 180 is equal to 0. So we can take y common from here. We will get y minus 18, and plus 10 common from here. We will get y minus 18 is equal to 0. And we can further solve it as y plus 10 into y minus 18 is equal to 0. On solving, we will get y is equal to minus 10 and y is equal to plus 18. So we can reject y is equal to minus 10, okay, and we can consider as y is equal to 18. So from equation second we have x square is equal to 8y, 8 into y, so 8 into 18 is 144, x square is equal to 144, and we can find the value of x by taking square root of this side. We will get plus minus 12. So the two numbers are, hence the two numbers are either 12 and 18 or minus 12 and 18. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us solve one more question. We have given here as, you can solve 8th question by yourself. It is very simple. A train travels 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So you have here, you have to assume, let speed of the train be x km per hour, then increase, you have also given distance and difference of time. So you have to convert in both the cases, when the speed is x and when the speed is increased, you have to calculate the time by distance upon speed. Okay, so you can easily find out the speed of the train. You have to do this question by yourself. Now question number 9 is very important. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9.3/8 hours. हमारे पास दो वाटर टैप्स हैं which can together fill a tank in 9.3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. जो larger diameter का हमारे पास टैप है वो क्या करता है, 10 hours कम लेता है as compared to the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Okay, so find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. हमें वो टाइम निकालना जिसमें हर एक टैप जो है वो सेपरेटली टैंक को भरने में जितना टाइम लेगा. ओके, सो लेट लार्जर पाइप fill the tank in x hour. We can consider time as question number 9. Let larger pipe fills the tank in x hours and smaller pipe fills the tank in y hours. ओके, तो लार्जर टाइप x आवर्स में भरता है और स्मॉलर y आवर्स में. तो हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, द टैंक फिल्ड बाय द लार्जर पाइप इन 1 hour. हम निकालेंगे कितना टैंक भरा गया. द टैंक फिल्ड बाय लार्जर पाइप इन 1 hour. इन 1 hour, तो 1 hour में कितना भरेगा, 1/x parts. कितना भरेगा, 1/x part. द टैंक फिल्ड बाय स्मॉलर पाइप इन 1 hour इज इक्वल टू 1/y parts. Right, the two taps together can fill the tank. We have given two taps together can fill the tank in fill the tank in 9.3/8 hours. That is equal to 9 8 just 72 plus 3 75/8 hours. So the tank filled by two taps together in 1 hour will be 1/75/8 parts, which will be equal to 1/75/8, बिकॉज 1 hour का निकाल रहे हैं हम, तो यहाँ पर हो जाएगा 8/75 parts, right? Now according to question we will have one upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 8 upon 75. Let it be equation number 1. We have given, since the smaller tab takes 10 hours more than the larger tab, ये दिया है हमारे पास, since the smaller tab takes 10 hours more than the larger tab. Okay, therefore we can say time taken by smaller tab is equal to x plus 10. We can substitute this value. We can put y is equal to x plus 10 in 1 and we will solve it. 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 10 is equal to 8 upon 75. Now we will solve it. LCM will be x into x plus 10. It will be here x plus 10 into 1 and x into 1 x. It will be 8 upon 75, right? So x plus x will be 2x plus 10 and upon x square plus 10x is equal to 8 upon 75. We can cross multiply 75 into 2x plus 10 is equal to 8 into x square plus 10x. We will multiply, so we will get 150x plus 750 is equal to 8x square plus 80x. We can take all the terms to the left side and we will get 8x square plus 80x minus 150x minus 750 is equal to 0. We can take 2 common from here. We will get 4x square plus first of all we can solve this part here. We will get here minus 70x minus 750 is equal to 0. Now we can take 2 common. We will get 4x square minus 35x minus 375 is equal to 0. Now we can solve it easily. We can also factorize the middle term whose sum will be equal to minus 35 and product is equal to 375 into 4. So such terms we have here as 60 minus 60 plus 25. You will get minus 35. So minus 60x plus 25x minus 375 is equal to 0. Now we can take 4x common from here. We will get x minus 15 plus 25 common from here. We will get x minus 15 is equal to 0. On solving 4x plus 25 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. We will solve it further. We will get 4x plus 25 is equal to 0 or x minus 15 is equal to 0. We know that x will be 15 from here and the value of x on solving this part will be minus 25 by 4, which will be rejected because time cannot be negative, right? So finally we can write our answer here. द लार्जर टेप टेक्स एक्स था, बिकॉज एक्स हमारे पास क्या था, टाइम टेकन बाय लार्जर. सो देयरफॉर द लार्जर टेप takes 15 hours and smaller tape takes 10 hours more than larger, so 25 hours to fill the tank separately. Okay, so students, it was question number 9. This question is very very important. So similarly you can solve 10th question. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore, okay, without taking into consideration the time they stop at intermediate station. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. So students, let the speed of the passenger train be x km per hour, we can consider, and speed of the express train then will be x plus 11 km per hour. Okay, distance we have given. We can find the difference of time in both the case, and difference is given equal to 1 hour, right? So we can solve it very easily. Last question we have given sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of two squares. This question is again very simple. Sum of the areas of two squares. Let the sides of two squares be x meter and y meter. So sum of their square is 468 meter, and one of the square will be greater than the other, so we can consider x is greater than y. So difference of perimeter, that is 4x minus 4y, will be 24. You can get the value of x or y from here. You can substitute in equation 1, which we have x square plus y square is equal to 468. You can easily solve out the value of x from there, and then x or y from there, and you can get the sides of two squares by yourself. Okay, so your exercise 4.3 has been finished. You have to complete this exercise, and if you have any problem anywhere, you can ask me on WhatsApp or Google Meet. So practice more and more and complete this full exercise. That's all.